Hello mga ka-Ate Jards! Let's have a mini tour dito sa magandang lugar na napuntahan namin sa San Fernando, La Union. Welcome to Thunderbird, Poro Point, La Union Beach, Casino and Resort. Dito yan sa La Union kung saan napakalawak ng kanilang resort. This is also known as the Santorini of Asia, kaya naman nakaka-proud to be here. Well, sobrang ganda naman kasi talaga ng resort nila at pang world class. 1,000 per head ang kanilang entrance for day tour 8 AM to 5 PM but that is consumable. All areas are very Instagrammable at malinis at sobrang nakaka-relax. At meron din silang mga malalaking swimming pool, pwede sa adult and pwede for kids. And this is just in front of the beach. Meron din silang malawak na area kung saan ganapan siya ng events if you want to have your events in front of the beach. So yung mga beach wedding dyan na parang Greek-inspired, well, this is the perfect venue for you. And this is Olive's Restaurant. Ito yung open na resto nung nag-visit kami where you can consume the entrance na binayad nyo. It's a very huge resto, very relaxing, malinis at very accommodating ang kanilang staff. For the menu, limited lang ang choices para siguro mas mabilis makapili. They have salad, appetizers, their main course. Also, they have sandwiches and pizzas. Also, some burgers, dessert, and drinks. They also offer wine. And they also served as a complimentary bread and butter. Well, for the food, sabi nila it's good for one, pero dahil nagtitipid kami, kaya hati-hati kami. We tried their penny vodka and their braised lamb shank with sweet potato. Tara, let's eat. It's lamb meat. In fairness, masarap ang kanilang food. And since may natira pa sa ating consumable sa ating entrance fee, pwede rin siyang gamitin sa kanilang cafe. So here we are, Pianosa Cafe. They're offering cakes, pastries, bread, coffee, and milk tea at marami pang iba. And it's coffee time! And another Instagrammable spot dito sa resort ay ang Urban Lights inspired from LA. Maganda siya sa gabi, but since hindi kami aabutin sa gabi, so it's a daytime picture. And since nandito na rin sa La Union, napadaan kami sa isang vineyard, but it's not a season for grapes. So, hindi siya pwedeng i-harvest, hindi siya pwedeng kunin, pwede lang siyang for picture. At syempre, hindi pwedeng umuwi nang walang pasalubong. Meron silang wine, juice, at maraming kukutin. And there you go, our short trip dito sa Thunderbird Resort here in San Fernando, La Union. Till our next video. Bye mga ka-Ate Jards!